Create your own space. Do you dream of having a space away from the demand of everyday life, a place where you can create think and relax? Marvel Space Partners, a group of architects, designers, and makers of built-in furniture, can turn an as-used or an aqua space into a practical room of your own. Our free full-color brochure presents a sampling of options for incredible undesigned spaces. If you would like to create a customized space, why not call us today at 800-555-7552 to request a copy of the brochure or to schedule a free initial consultation with our design team.